Mr. Food.
Divorce is a messy subject, and it can get even more complicated when you add kids into the mix. Protecting them in their best interest, it's what every parent wants, right? So joining us today is Stacey Beaulieu-Fawcett, who's a marital and family attorney. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
You know, so many times kids kind of get caught in the middle of these situations, and what we all want to know is, how do you keep them out of it, at least the best you can, so everybody comes out of it as unscathed as they can?
Keeping the children out should be the forefront thought of the parents throughout the process. The parents, their attorneys, their legal team, it should be the forefront of their minds. And one of the ways that we do that is really by trying to resolve it amicably. Not all divorces can be resolved amicably, obviously, but an amicable resolution allows the parents to go on, let go of the bitterness, allows the family to heal, and is really in the best interest of the children. We do that sometimes through the mediation process. Here in our area, mediation is required in every case. So that's a benefit. That's absolute benefit for the children. It's a benefit for the parties. And that gives us an opportunity to sit down in different rooms, not in the same room. Emotions are high. You don't want to put people in the same room, but in different rooms with their attorneys, with the mediator going back and forth, and really just working through the true issues. What is in the best interest of the children here?
All right, let me stop you there, because for a lot of people, this is going to be their first time, unless they've been married several times and their name's Elizabeth Taylor. But you want to choose the proper attorney. So how do you go about doing that? What is a good fit?
A good fit sometimes is a personal choice. So the first and foremost is be comfortable with that attorney. You are going to relive your marriage and all the atrocities of it with that person. You're going to be sharing very intimate details. You need to be comfortable with the person.
Interview a few?
Interview a few of them, absolutely. The second thing is find someone who only practices marital and family law. You don't want someone who does marital and family law today and criminal law tomorrow and personal injury the next day. You can't be good at everything. So someone who practices exclusively marital and family law. And then Florida has board certification. So you want someone who has proven themselves to be an expert in that area of law and is board certified in that area.
Now you were talking about mediation. Can you seek mediation before you seek an attorney, or should you?
You should not. A lot of people want to do that, and there are many, many reasons why. And they normally want to do it with good intentions. They don't want to involve attorneys. They don't want to battle. And they think as soon as you get the attorneys, it's going to be a battle. Select an attorney that doesn't have that mindset. So, you know, that's part of the selection process. Mediation before you have an attorney is a bad idea for several reasons. One is, if you go into mediation and you sign an agreement before you've complied with all the statutory disclosure requirements, that agreement can be set aside. So now you've done this for nothing. The other is, if the agreement does not meet all the other statutory requirements for parenting plans to deal with the children, it will be kicked back by the court. So you've gone through the whole process, wasted time and money. Additionally, you don't know what your rights are. You don't know what the court will look at. You don't know what you're entitled to, where your exposure is. So how can you make a decision without all of the information?
Good point. So seek an attorney first. Start there.
Yes.
All right, lots of good points. Stacey, thank you so much.
Oh, you're very welcome.
Let's go back over to Holony.
We have some breaking news right now. This just in the News Channel 5.